Bibbidi bobbidi bush!
Children have a full-time occupation. It's called play. At VLC, we believe learning through play is the very best form of learning. As children develop the ability to engage in pretend play, it provides opportunities to them to identify with the adult world. It also gives them a space to work on their social skills and helps in their emotional intelligence as well. The Learning Centers at VLC has a block area, kitchen area, dress-up corner, and a puppet theater. While children engage in these areas, the understanding and knowledge shared through experiences helps them to learn and gain real-life skills while using all their senses, and most importantly, by having fun. Concepts that are focused upon in the learning centers are developing numeracy skills, social and emotional development, language enhancement, advancement in thinking skills, and also the nurturance of imagination and creativity in the child.
So I know what you're looking for. What? Bibbidi bobbidi